Ano po, today, balito na po yung inyong order for the Nintendo Switch. Unit natin. So, yung 512 gig po, inserted na rin po siya sa inyong Switch unit. Now, yung Switch po ninyo is naka-dual boot na rin po siya. It has yung ating jailbreak mode and legit mode. Currently, ina-access muna natin yung ating jailbreak mode first. Automatic na rin po siya every time that we turn on normally our Switch. Ang una niyang i-access ay ang jailbreak mode. So, wait na lang din natin na mag-load. Now, these are the games naman that we were able to install. So, for 512 gig, marami na rin po tayo mga games na na-install. And then, sa album folder, andito naman yung ating homebrew applications. So, pakita ko lang din yung ating buttons. Wireless. Bluetooth. Okay. And controls. So, right Joy-Con natin, analog, no ghosting or drifting, and with our left Joy-Con, same thing, no ghosting or drifting po. ZRZL, RL, plus minus, ADXY natin, analog buttons, and our directional buttons, SR, SL, and SRSL na ating left or right Joy-Con. Then, yung touchscreen naman natin. Home button. Alright, so turn off lang muna natin yung switch and then let's access naman our second boot, which is yung ating legit mode. So before we turn on our unit, we just need to wait lang din po na mga around 10 to 15 seconds to make sure na yung Mogic natin sa loob is totally naka-turned off na siya. Waiting, balik ko lang yung Joy-Con first. Let's try turning on. Once you see the logo na lumabas, hold down lang po natin agad yung ating volume down button para mapunta naman tayo sa ating Hecate menu selection. And then this time, we can choose our legit mode system. So sa legit mode po natin, dito po tayo pwede mag-access na ating eShop, multiplayer online, or if meron po kayo mga physical game cartridges, dito nyo rin po siya pwedeng laruin. So dahil nasa legit mode naman po tayo ngayon, if you're going to check din po yung inyong album folder, hindi na po ninyo makikita dito yung mga homebrew applications. Rather, kung meron kayong mga nakasave na photos or screenshots, dito po siya lalabas. So, okay na po yung inyong Switch. Bali, papak na lang din namin ito. And then, pakita ko lang din pala yung other inclusion sa package po ninyo. So, of course, we have yung ating Joy-Cons, left and right. And then, we have yung ating charger, HDMI, and then hand reach sa ilalim. And we have our side strap. And of course, yung ating charging dock. We've also included a free 3D pouch na rin along with your package. So, okay na po yung inyong item. Bali, papap na lang namin ito. And then, wait na lang namin yung courier for pickup. Pa-wait na lang din po na mag-update yung tracking information sa inyong app. Thank you po and happy gaming!